Hey folks, welcome back to my channel, Fishing with Angel 903. Stuff is falling off this bridge, sorry. Alright, so I just moved back, down from under this. I was under this bridge. I was driving back from an appointment, and I noticed there was a big bridge and there was these trail, the road that led off to was the boat ramp. So I figured, why not? I got my rods and reels with me. I'll probably just throw a few casts out here. I don't have my kayak, so we just do a little bit of bank fishing from this area, probably over there. There's see a lot of brush and stuff. Not really ever fished any rivers like this before, so let's see if we can catch something here. I have a little bit of time, so I'll just throw out a few, maybe lose a few lures here and there, but let's see what we catch, guys. Stay tuned. See, we're gonna topwater bite. That'd be awesome. I honestly don't know why I've been throwing this here. Also, guys, stay tuned for after the video. I'm going to show y'all what the giveaway is going to be. So once we reach the 100 subscribers, y'all have a chance to win the prize for the giveaway. I say just stay tuned after the video. But do me a favor, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel. I said we're trying to get to 100 right now, so we can do this giveaway. And yeah, let's see if we catch anything on this worm here. I started off casting the revolver, but yeah, that is not gonna work. So we'll throw this worm around, see if it catches the attention of anything. There's a lot of current. Oh. Hopefully don't get no dang snake or something. Oops. Oh. Something's swimming around here too. Minutes left, and I'm just gonna throw around this lipless crankbait. So see if it catches the attention of anything good. But I'm just just a few minutes before I have to head back. I may do some afternoon fishing tonight, guys, so this isn't gonna be it. I don't catch nothing here. It's been a while since I've done any afternoon fishing. I'm hoping the topwater bite is good this afternoon. So we'll see. Let's see what happens. We'll see. Folks, if y'all fish this type of stuff before, this same river, Sabine River, I believe is what it is, let me know, comment down. I want to know what y'all catch them with out here. So, got skunked at the river here, but stay tuned, guys. Either we're gonna fish later on this afternoon, same video here, or go straight to just the giveaway that whatever I'm gonna give away. I'm not giving away yet. Like I said, we gotta get to 100 subscribers before I do. So if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe right now. Intermission time before I come back. All right, guys. So finally got a chance to come out and do some afternoon fishing. So I'm hoping we can catch some topwater fish. With this revolver. Got about 2 hours. Oh, there's a fish that swallowed already over here. There was see, I have about 2 hours of daylight. There should be plenty to catch a fish at least. The wind did pick up a little bit, but hopefully it won't give us too much of a problem. Which it already is. It's already throwing me all kinds of ways. Oh, I got one. I got one. That feels pretty good. Feels good. Oh, feels like a good one. Stay on. It is a good one. Come here, boy. Come here. Oh, look at them. Oh, it came off and it hooked myself. Ouch. Look at that sucker right there. It was baiting right there. We're moving right to it too. Oh man, no. Oh, beautiful fish. Look at the mouth on him. Wow, nice. Say it's about a 2 pound, 2.5 pound. Let's weigh him real quick and let him go here back to his little love nest. Man, he jumped right on it. Oh, that mondo worm. Zeroed out. About 2.3. Yeah, I think it was about 2 pounds. Nice fish. Nice fish. Long. Nice and long. Pretty little fish. And here I thought I was going to get stumped today. 18.5 inches, guys. Whew. He's a longin'. 18.5 inches. Wow. Thank you, buddy. Kiss the camera for good look. See if we'll get another one. Rub one up there. Ooh. Alright. I'll let you go back to your little spot. Come on. Whew, guys. Here I thought I was going to get some today. But thankfully the mondo worm here came to save the day. Well folks, that's all she wrote for today. Back at the house, actually working on the video for this video. This is the ending. Like I said, thanks for hanging in to the end, or if you just scrolled all the way to the end, no biggie. Just don't forget to subscribe. So without further ado, I'm about to show y'all the giveaway prizes for when we reach 100 subscribers. So here we are. The Mock Crush reel. Alright, that's a really nice reel. 7:5:1 ratio, I believe. Yes, gear ratio. It's just a speed spool. It's really nice. Backstory a little bit on it. I had bought the combo, the rod and reel combo with it, but the first day that I went to use it, I broke the rod. So my loss, one of y'all's people's gains. And also not one, not two, but three mystery tackle boxes. So, and those I believe are January, February, or March boxes. So there it is, folks. That's the main giveaway that I'm going to be giving away once we reach the 100 subscribers. So don't forget to like the video if y'all liked it, subscribe to the channel, and till next time, guys, have a good one.